Hello students, today we will start our next chapter of biology from our science book, that is why do we fall ill. When we do exercise, we realize that health and disease in human communities are very complex issue. We also realize that the idea of health and disease are themselves very complicated. We have seen that cells are the basic units of life. Cells are made up of variety of chemical substances. What are that chemical substances? That is protein, carbohydrate, fats or lipids and so on. Living cell is a dynamic place. Something or the other is always happening. Cells move from place to place. Even in cells that do not move, there is repair going on. New cells are being made. In our organs or tissues, there are various specialized activities going on. The heart is beating, the lungs are breathing, the kidney is filtering urine, and the brain is thinking. So different organs perform different function. All these activities are interconnected. For example, if the kidney are not filtering urine, poisonous substance will accumulate. Under such condition, the brain will not be able to think properly. For all these interconnected activities, energy and raw material are needed from outside the body in the form of food. Anything that prevents proper functioning of cells and tissue will lead to a lack of proper activity of the body. When we say, like my grandmother health is not good, for our grandmothers, being able to go out to the market or to visit neighbor is being well, and not being able to do such things is poor health. It does not mean that the grandmother is having some disease. She is not able to go outside because of her age. Here is age factor matter. Okay? Our teacher use it when they scold student saying this thing. This is not a healthy attitude. What does the word health mean in it? The teaching in classroom so that we can understand the word is called a healthy attitude, while not being interested is called the opposite. So what is health? Health is therefore a state of being well enough to function well physically, mentally and socially. Okay? If you fight with someone in the class, okay, then our teacher is saying that it is not healthy attitude. What does it mean? We are not able to cooperate with the society. We are not able to live happily with the society. Okay? So, it is not good for our health. Okay? If we are not physically healthy or physically not able to do something, or mentally we are in tension, okay, and socially we are quarreling with others, fighting with others, so it means that we are not healthy. So what health exactly mean? Health means a state of being well enough to function well physically, mentally and socially. Clear? Next topic is personal and community issues. Both matter for health. If health means a state of physical, mental and social well-being, it cannot be something that each one of us can achieve entirely on our own. Okay? For example, if we keep our room clean, okay, and do not care about other rooms of our house, okay, then also the disease will be there, because there is uncleanliness outside our room, okay, unhygienic condition is there outside our room. How can we live healthy? If our house is clean and there is a lot of garbage on the roads, suppose that sweeper do not come, he do not clean the road, garbage picker do not come and do not pick the garbage from our home, so what will happen? There is a lot of garbage collected in our home. What it result? It also result into diseases. Okay, so both personal and community issues matter for health. Okay, we have to clean our personal environment, and also there should be cleanliness outside our surrounding, in our surrounding. Okay, we need food for health, and this food will have to be earned by doing work. How we can get the food? For being healthy, we also need balanced diet, good food. It should be earned. How can it be earned? By doing work. For this, the opportunity to do work has to be available. So good economic condition and jobs are therefore needed for individual health. What is needed? Good economic condition and jobs. So it is needed for individual health. We need to be happy in order to be truly healthy. What it means? If we mistreat each other and are afraid of each other, we cannot be happy or healthy. So there should be social equality and harmony. Okay? Major issues for community health are personal hygiene, maintenance and treatment of drinking water, hygiene standard in house and food, disposal of garbage and cow dung, disposal of human fecal matter, airborne diseases, preparation of ORS. Prevention of transmission of diseases by maintaining sanitation and hygiene. How can it be possible? It can be possible by adopting 5F. What is to be done then? The 5Fs are fluids. First is fluid. Protect the water source. Treat and store water safely. Second is fields. Clean vegetable and fruit before use. Okay? This is hygiene. And sanitation, avoid open defecation. Okay? Next is flies. Cover the food. It is a hygienic condition. And control flies. This is to control sanitation, to maintain sanitation. Next is fingers. Wash hands before preparing and taking food. Hygienic maintenance. Wash hands after defecation. This is sanitation maintenance. Next is floods. Proper drainage system. Treatment of water. It is maintaining sanitation. So a person can remain healthy if he or she adopt 5 F's.